Welcome back to Bumblebee Videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fishing net out of string. This particular string art is from the Torres Strait Islanders, who use string to accompany their singing. Now first, you are going to loop your string around your thumb and put the right side of the string over your pinky. It is the exact same thing on the other side. Once you've done that, get your index finger to go under the piece of string on the other side. It should look like this. This part is a bit tricky, so listen carefully. With your index finger holding a string, twist your finger around the string 2 times. Now that there is a loop, using your other index finger, take the line and pull it to your left hand. Now, carefully let your thumb and pinky go, but not the index finger. I would really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Thanks for watching.